Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn how many, addition and subtraction of single-digit numbers, together, step by step. Let's add and subtract small numbers. We can count on to add and count back to subtract. To add, we put together and count on. For 3 plus 2, start at 3 and count on 2, 4, 5. To subtract, we take away and count back. For 5 minus 2, start at 5 and count back 2, 4, 3. 4 plus 3, start at 4 and count on 3, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. To recap, to add, count on. To subtract, count back. And the number line helps. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.